Carnivore cheesy mozzarella sticks are so easy to make. Only made with 3 ingredients: crumbed pork rinds, mozzarella string cheese sticks that I purchased from Costco, and egg whites. So first I'm just separating the egg yolk from the egg white. This is used as the sticking agent to stick the crumbed pork rinds to the mozzarella sticks. I've just used egg whites from 2 eggs that normally does around 8 sticks. So you pretty much want to dip your whole mozzarella stick into the egg white just to really make sure you've got heaps of egg white on there, and then you start rolling it in the crumbed pork rinds. You might want to repeat the process of dipping the stick cheese into the egg whites and then rolling it in the crumbed pork rinds so that you get a good thick coating on them. This stops the cheese from seeping out through the sides when you're baking them in the oven. I put my oven on fan forced on about 180 degrees Celsius and left them in the oven for about 5 minutes until they look nice golden and crispy brown and the cheese is all melted. The kids absolutely love these and I hope you did too, so please let us know in the comments below.